galumble, galumpety-o. Okay, this is about Doug the elephant. There he is. Doug the elephant had an ant friend who was stuck on a hill and who couldn't descend. I want to come down, the frightened ant yelped. I'm small and I'm stuck. Oh, please, want your help. Galloo, galumble, galumpety-tumble. Galloo, galumble, galumpety-o. Doug said, my trunk is quite long. That's not what he said. What did he say? Doug the elephant said, my trunk is quite long. Oh, he did. I'll reach up and help you, but no, he was wrong. His long elephant's trunk wasn't quite long enough. Oh, this problem is tricky. This problem is tough. Doug puzzled it over, then he said, with a laugh, I'll just go and fetch my good friend, the giraffe. Galloo, galumble, galumpety-tumble. Galloo, galumble, galumpety-o. Along came the giraffe, and she stretched up her neck. And she stretched 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 until Galloo, galumble, galumpety-tumble. Galloo, galumble, galumpety-o. Oh, please get me down, howled the ant from the hill. You said that you'd help me, but I'm stuck up here still. Doug. So what happened next? Doug sent a balloon for the ant to ride, and the balloon sailed up into the sky. But at the last moment, it took a great dive. Galloo, galumble, galumpety-tumble. Galloo, galumble, galumpety-o. Said the ant, I'm upset. I don't like this one bit. You get me down on the ground or I'm going to be sick. Doug said, I know a giant. He's as tall as a tree. He'll get you down, just you wait and see. Along came the giant, there he is, as big as you please, and he helped the ant down with incredible ease. Very good. Galloo, galumble, galumpety-tumble. Galloo, galumble, galumpety-o. No longer annoyed. I'm down on the ground and I'm quite overjoyed. It's good to be down. Oh, it's wonderfully pleasant. Come, Ant brothers and sisters. There they are. Let's build Doug a present. And they all work together. And they built him something with which he could not have been any gladder. They built him what every elephant dreams of possessing, his very own ladder. Galloo, galumble, galumpety-tumble. Galloo, galumble, galumpety-o. Again, galloo, galumble, galumpety-tumble. Galloo, galumble, galumpety-o. One more time. Galloo, galumble, galumpety-tumble. Galloo, galumble, galumpety-o. Oh, thanks.